In Zimbabwe, a storm of controversy has surrounded the recent election results. Nelson Chamisa, the opposition leader, has made headlines by alleging what he describes as blatant and gigantic fraud in the electoral process. According to Chamisa, this impropriety led to the re-election of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who officially received 52.6% of the vote. The allegations don't stop at mere accusations. Chamisa claims the results were assembled in haste, lacking the necessary verification that ensures an election's credibility. This, coupled with reports from international observers, paints a troubling picture. Observers highlighted an atmosphere rife with voter intimidation, with some voters allegedly harassed or coerced. Adding to the complexity, there were reports of banned opposition rallies and a media landscape biased towards the incumbent. In response to these daunting challenges, Chamisa reached out to the Southern African development community, urging them to take a more active role. He implored the SADC to re-evaluate its mandate and intervene in what he sees as a critical failure to uphold democratic standards in Zimbabwe's elections. The global response has been a mix of concern and criticism. The United Nations Secretary-General voiced apprehension over the intimidation reports, and various election monitors underscored the need for a more transparent electoral process in Zimbabwe. As we reflect on these events, the importance of international oversight in elections becomes clear. Such oversight not only ensures the legitimacy of the electoral process, but also reinforces the foundations of democracy by promoting transparency and fairness. In conclusion, the situation in Zimbabwe serves as a poignant reminder of the challenges many nations face in ensuring fair elections. It underscores the crucial role that international bodies like the SADC play in upholding democratic values. As the world watches, the hope remains that democracy, in its truest form, can flourish, guided by fairness, transparency, and the unwavering pursuit of justice.